Welcome back, guys, for the continuation of the tutorial about scales, coming up with scales. So I had said from C to D is a full tone because it's comprising of two half steps. That's a half step, half step. So from C to D is a full tone, and therefore we want to come up with the scale of C major. So I begin at C because that's my starting point. That's the key that I want to come up with its scale. So remember that I said that every key actually every key has got 7 divisions. So it means that there are 8 divisions depending on how you want to name it, but ideally my 8 eventually will be my 1. So it has got 7 divisions. So what you need to understand is that from division 1 to division 2 you move. For you to locate the second division, you need to move a full step from the first point. Then once you are at second point, for you to locate the third step, you need to move again a full tone. Once you are at the third step, you need to move a half step to locate the fourth point. Once you are at the fourth point, you need to move a full step or a full tone to locate the fourth point. Once you are at the fourth point or the fourth step, you need to move again a full tone to locate the fifth point. Once you are at the fifth point, you need to move again a full step for you to locate the sixth division. Then once you are at the sixth division, move again a full step to locate the seventh division. Once you are at the seventh division, then move a half step to locate the eighth division. That is the rule. That is the conventional rule. It's not my things I'm coming up with, guys. Those are the rules that guide us. They are conventional, they are universal, they are agreeable to all piano schools and piano academies, the music schools. That's what happens when you're coming up with scales. And so that's the principle, that's the logic behind the whole thing. Now let's delve into it. So coming up with the scale of C, so I begin at C because that's my point of interest. C scale is my point of interest. So like I said, for you to locate the second division of the C major scale, or the second note of C major scale, I need to move from my first point to the second point. I need to move a full step. So I'll move from here to here. So on the scale of C, this is my point. This is my second point. Once you are on the second point, for you to locate the third point, again you need to move a half step. From here to here, half. So you need to move full step. Sorry. So from here to there, that's a half step. Another half step. Therefore, from here to here, that's a full step. And therefore, this is my third division on the scale of C, or my third degree. There are so many names, actually we call them so many names, so don't be confused. So from the third to the fourth degree of the C scale, you move a semitone. So from here to here is a semitone. That's a semitone, guys. A semitone. Once you are at the fourth degree, for you to locate the fifth degree of the C major scale, you move a full. From here to here, a half. From here to here, a half. Therefore, from here to here is a full step. So therefore, this is the fifth degree of the C major scale. From the fifth degree, you want to locate the sixth degree, you move again a full step or a full tone. Therefore, from here to there is a half. That's full. And therefore, this is the sixth degree of the C major scale. From the sixth degree, you want to go to the seventh degree, you move a full tone or a whole step, and therefore this is the seventh degree of the C. Then from the seventh degree to the eighth degree is a semitone or a half step, and therefore this is a half step. And therefore, if you are very careful, this and this, they are the same. And that's why I told you it's either 7 divisions or 8 divisions, depending on how you want to call it, because my 8 is my first one. And basically, what have you done? This was my first degree, and we identified this one as our second degree. This one was our third degree, our fourth, our fifth, our sixth, our seventh, and our eighth, which is our first one. Therefore, guys, what did we just come up with? A C major scale. And that's why the C major scale, the triadic C major scale, is the white keys. It's the white keys. And that's why there's no any sharp. There's no any sharp or any flat on that C major scale, and therefore so that is a C major scale.